Welcome to this explainer. Okay, so if you've ever pulled a 2 a.m. cram session only to have all that information literally evaporate the second you sit down for the exam, well, you are definitely in the right place. Today, we're breaking down a ridiculously powerful AI-driven learning method that's built entirely on evidence-backed cognitive science. We're going to explore a structured system that completely transforms how your brain encodes and retains info. Let's dive right in. So, why do smart people learn slowly? It's a super frustrating paradox. But here's a crucial insight from the source material. The speed at which you learn has almost nothing to do with your natural intelligence, and absolutely everything to do with whether you're using the right methods. Literally, two people can study for the exact same amount of time and get wildly different results, just because one of them is using a method that actually aligns with how the brain works. Look, cognitive science has proven that our absolute favorite go-to study methods, like just rereading or highlighting everything in neon yellow, are terribly inefficient. That tiny bar you see for passive exposure, that just creates the illusion of learning. But that massive bar on the right, that is active recall. Effortful retrieval is what actually builds durable neural pathways in your brain. We all naturally default to passive exposure because, let's be honest, it feels safe. You're just sitting in a comfy chair, rereading a textbook. But science shows us that if you actually want to perform under pressure, you gotta do the heavy lifting. Active retrieval is harder, for sure. It takes more effort. But it is literally the only way to build truly durable knowledge that you can rely on. Now, historically, generating practice tests or active recall exercises took a massive amount of time. But today, free AI tools like ChatGPT and Claude act as these ultimate effort erasers. They take these proven, highly effective, but normally really time-consuming cognitive science techniques, and they turn them into a seamless, fast, and honestly, genuinely enjoyable 5-step framework. Section 1. Prepare, map, and understand. Step 1 is all about building your mental filing cabinet. Skipping this is kind of like throwing a bunch of loose papers into a pitch-black room. Every new piece of information just floats around in total isolation. But if you build a structural framework first, well, every detail you learn later instantly has a specific folder to stick to. And here is the exact prompt to build that cabinet. Before you even crack open a textbook, spend just 5 minutes asking your AI for a high-level overview of the 5 to 7 most important concepts and how they relate. Doing this gives you a massive advantage because you're structuring the entire subject out before you get bogged down in the granular details. That brings us to step 2. Understand before you memorize. Memorization without understanding creates a very fragile learning state. Think about it. You might be able to repeat a definition perfectly, but the very moment you face an unusual exam question, that knowledge completely falls apart because you just don't have the deep context behind it. To fix that fragility, you need everyday analogies. Using AI to compare, say, supply and demand to a seesaw or electrical resistance to water pressure in a pipe, that builds a highly memorable story in your brain. And our brains absolutely love stories and connections. It stores new information so much faster when it's attached to something you already intuitively understand. So here is the prompt to achieve exactly that. By asking the AI to provide an everyday analogy and to explain what specific problem the concept was originally invented to solve, you guarantee a deep, intuitive understanding. You should do this for every complex topic before you waste even a single second trying to memorize abstract facts. Section 2. Practice, recall, and teach. Step 3 is active recall. As we touched on earlier, this is hands down the most powerful technique known to cognitive science. Instead of just reading your notes over and over again, you actually have to force yourself to retrieve the info from memory. And the beauty of AI is that it now allows you to generate custom, targeted practice questions instantly, tailored to your exact study session. Notice the specific phrase, one at a time, in this prompt. Getting these questions individually is absolutely crucial. If an AI just hands you all 10 questions at once, your brain defaults to that passive pattern matching we talked about. Forcing the AI to wait for your answer before giving feedback ensures genuine, independent recall for every single fact. Moving on to step 4, this brings in the Feynman technique, named after the brilliant Nobel Prize-winning physicist Richard Feynman. It's essentially a foolproof learning loop. You attempt to explain the concept simply, you identify exactly where you get stuck or vague, you restudy those specific gaps, and then you explain it again. And AI makes this technique totally interactive.
You can use this prompt to have the AI act as your audience, like a curious 12-year-old. When you explain the topic back to the AI, it instantly pinpoints your exact knowledge gaps. So instead of just guessing if you know the material, the AI tells you precisely what you need to go back and restudy. It's a real game changer.
Section 3. Retain AI spaced repetition. Step 5 brings in spaced repetition. This is where you strategically test yourself at increasing intervals. So day 1, day 3, day 7, and day 14. This works like magic because you're forcing your brain to retrieve the information right at the exact moment it's about to forget it. That aggressively strengthens the neural pathway for the long haul. Here is the prompt to automate that whole process. The absolute magic here is the request for slightly different questions for each session. If you just review the exact same flashcards over and over, you end up memorizing the specific question prompt, not the actual underlying concept. Generating new questions ensures you are truly mastering the material. But hey, here is the catch. Spaced repetition only works if you actually show up. The science is completely useless if you skip the reviews, right? You have to secure these AI-generated dates in your calendar immediately. Treat them like mandatory appointments that you simply cannot miss. Section 4. The AI method. Putting it all together.
Map it, understand it, recall it, teach it, space it. Following this completely replaces the fragile illusion of passive reading with a highly durable AI supercharged framework. And the best part? It works beautifully for literally any subject. Biology, economics, coding, learning a new language, the whole shebang. It yields dramatically better results without requiring a single minute more than you already spend studying.
So I want to leave you with this challenge. Take any skill or subject you're currently trying to learn and just run it through the mental map prompt for 5 minutes tonight. Just see how having a solid framework instantly transforms your understanding. And ask yourself this: how much of your life have you wasted on the illusion of learning when true mastery was really just a few well-crafted prompts away?